Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we're going to be making my son his breakfast quick and easy. So come with me. So I decided to make a bagel, egg, and cheese. So first we're going to start out by spraying the pan with this butter spray. So now that the frying pan is warm enough, we're going to go ahead and cook 2 eggs. So remember, when making your eggs, you can make them any style that you want and salt and pepper to taste. So here, we're going to take the bagel and split that in half, and we're going to go ahead and toast that while the eggs are cooking. So I took the butter out of the refrigerator just so that we can have it room temperature. Okay, so now these eggs need a few minutes, so I'm grabbing myself some coffee. So there's nothing like the first taste of your cup of coffee in the morning. Mmm. Okay, so now the bagel is done toasting. We're going to go grab that. The eggs look like they're almost done. So we're going to place a little dab of butter on both pieces, and we're going to let that sit in that warm bagel for a few minutes so we can spread it around. So here we spread the butter on the bagel. Now it's time to place the cheese on top. And again, you can place any kind of cheese. This is all that I had right now handy. And then we're going to place that egg on top of it and enjoy breakfast. Did I say that right? No, he's going to enjoy breakfast. And just like that, we fold the bagel over onto itself and breakfast is ready. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.